Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Professional bathroom remodel designers near me. Are you considering a bathroom remodel but need help figuring out where to start? With so many options and design choices, it can be overwhelming. Hiring professional bathroom remodel designers near you is the best way to do the job. They'll help bring your dream space to life with ease. From selecting materials and fixtures to ensuring everything is up to code, experienced professionals have the skills and knowledge to ensure that your renovation meets all your expectations. What makes a bathroom luxurious? Transforming your bathroom into a luxurious retreat involves carefully selecting elegant and functional design elements. Every detail should be considered to create an atmosphere of serenity and calm, from the soft lighting to the sumptuous fabrics. Choosing a subtle yet striking color palette can make a statement without being overpowering, while carefully selected accessories can add a feeling of indulgence. By creating a balance between form and function through clever storage solutions and stylish materials, you can turn your bathroom into a sophisticated and stylish space that invites relaxation and pampering. How can I make my bathroom look luxurious? To achieve a luxurious look in a bathroom, attention to detail and carefully chosen decor is crucial. One effective strategy is incorporating statement lighting fixtures to unite the space and create an indulgent atmosphere. Mirrors are also useful as they make the room feel more spacious and reflect natural light, enhancing the brightness and inviting ambience. If you work within a limited budget, you can contact your bathroom remodel company for different options that would help create a luxury experience. Instead of investing in expensive designer tiles, consider using wallpapers with interesting patterns to add visual interest. Upcycling existing furniture pieces with a fresh coat of paint can also make a big impact without breaking the bank. Even small changes like these can elevate the overall interior design scheme and enhance the feeling of luxury in the bathroom. How do you make a small luxurious bathroom on a budget? To create a small luxurious bathroom on a budget, consider focusing on the small details that can make a big impact. Start by investing in high-quality towels and accessories such as soap dishes and toothbrush holders. These little touches can add a touch of luxury to the space. When selecting a color palette, choose a subtle and elegant combination, such as shades of gray with pops of pink, to make it chic. Lighting is also an essential factor in creating a luxurious bathroom. Choose fixtures with interesting shapes or textures that instantly add depth and character to the space without being costly. How to find the right designer for your project. Finding the right designer is crucial to design a luxurious bathroom while controlling costs. Here are some tips to help you streamline your search and find a professional who understands your vision and can execute it cost-effectively. Research local companies that specialize in bathroom remodeling. Start by checking their reviews, certifications, awards, and portfolio to determine if they're a good fit for your project regarding style, materials, and overall look. Narrow down your list of potential designers and schedule consultations with each one. Use this opportunity to ask about their experience, process, and ability to work within your budget. Remember to inquire about any discounts or special promotions they may be offering. Such incentives can be a great way to save money without compromising the quality of the design. Benefits of using an in-house certified designer who works for a contractor. Hiring an in-house certified designer for your bathroom remodel project can provide numerous benefits. These professionals have experience making bringing your vision to life easier while staying within your budget. They're also more likely to know about construction aspects and have a team to lean on when they need advice on construction-specific items. Hiring an in-house certified designer can be cost-effective since their fees are typically lower than those of independent designers or architects. Since the contractor already employs them, you won't need to pay extra overhead costs like insurance or marketing expenses. Having a designer who understands design concepts and construction techniques makes you confident that every aspect of your bathroom remodels project will go smoothly. So if you're looking to create a luxurious bathroom space while keeping costs in check, consider hiring an in-house certified designer. Initial consultation and estimate. Consider utilizing an in-house certified designer to ensure a successful bathroom remodel project. The initial consultation and estimate are critical first steps in the process. During the meeting, discuss all aspects of the design, including materials, fixtures, finishes, paint colors, lighting, storage solutions, and other details that could impact the overall look and feel. It's also essential to inquire about the contractor's experience to ensure they have the necessary expertise. The contractor should provide a detailed estimate outlining all costs associated with the project, such as labor and material fees. Timelines for each construction phase should be included to show when work can start and when completion is expected. High-end bathroom remodeling pitfalls. Embarking on a high-end bathroom remodeling project can be thrilling, but without proper knowledge and planning, it could lead to costly mistakes. One pitfall to avoid is selecting low-quality materials due to budget constraints, which may result in costly repairs in the future. Poor ventilation is another common issue that can cause mold growth and other moisture problems. Custom installations like showers require skilled professionals to avoid shoddy workmanship and unnecessary expenses later on. Considering these pitfalls, let's explore design ideas for your dream luxury bathroom. Design ideas for your dream luxury bathroom. There is plenty of options when creating the bathroom of your dreams. You can create an oasis right in your home, from stunning tile work and luxurious fixtures to custom showers and modern lighting. Here are some ideas for making your luxury bathroom look its very best, and a good bathroom designer will be able to help out with all of these and more. Flooring. Natural stone tiles or engineered hardwood floors can add elegance and warmth to your bathroom. Walls/fixtures. Create a unique atmosphere with patterned or textured wallpaper. Large mirrors and statement lighting fixtures, such as crystal chandeliers or pendant lights, can add dramatic flair and brighten the room. It's important to ensure these design elements work harmoniously to create the perfect balance between comfort and style. Recapping why you want to consider bathroom remodel designers near you. It's important to remember why you wanted a luxurious bathroom in the first place. It was for a unique and beautiful experience that brought together your vision and someone else's expertise. Bathroom remodel designers near you will understand local trends and can help achieve this dream by providing solutions for your style and needs. So if you want to add some sparkle and shine to your home, remember what professional bathroom remodel designers offer. They'll use their skills and knowledge to give you peace of mind knowing that you have hired qualified experts who can transform any room from dull to dazzling. By choosing Phoenix Home Remodeling with an in-house designer, you'll benefit from their expertise in creating unique and beautiful spaces. So why settle for a dull and outdated bathroom when you can have a stunning, personalized space you'll love? Contact Phoenix Home Remodeling today to get started on your dream bathroom renovation project. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling podcast. Have a great day.